Hello everyone, what's up? I'm Jean Campos from Brazil and I have 19 years old. Today, I'm here to talk about the RankSnap 2. When I started with SEO 7 months ago, I tried a strategy without backlinks. And as you may know, I didn't got good results. And then I talked to my teacher. Hey, I didn't got any results in a month. What I'm doing wrong? And he talked about a backlink strategy, but not the manual backlink, writing the every post, posting in every website. He talked about the automatic backlinks. And here is where I met the RankSnap 2. The results with this tool was incredible. In just 4 days using the backlinks, my website lifted the last positions and got to the 30th page of Google. And after 3 weeks, my website gone to the 7th position in the first page of Google. Yes, the results came very fast. And how as a beginner, I spent 3 weeks of work to do it. However, in these days, I can make the same results with 2 weeks or less because I have more experience using this tool and using SEO. So, if you want to make sales and get good results with your website, I recommend you to use the RankSnap tool because it's the perfect choice for you and will help you a lot. So, goodbye guys and see you later.